Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix account warning on TikTok. So let's get into it. To fix the account warning error on TikTok, the first method is to wait for a few months for the account warning error to disappear. Some users reported that the error went away by itself after a few months. Second method is to contact TikTok for help. If you didn't violate any of TikTok's community guidelines, but you got the error, you need to contact TikTok and say that you've been wrongfully warned. To begin with, go to the Share Your Feedback form. Once you're on the form, you need to provide your contact information. This includes your email address and your TikTok username. Secondly, you need to select the topic. You need to select the Report a Bug feature request. Thirdly, you need to explain that you're getting the account warning error by mistake. After you've sent the form, you need to wait for a few days for TikTok's response. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.